Here we go. So I've got lots of noisy things in the workshop, but I think this one takes a biscuit. It is really loud. So today's video is showing you how I went about improving that and what I did to reduce the noise. So at the moment we're trying to be quiet, down into sort of mid-30s. Talking voice is 70, 62, yeah, sort of in the between 60 and 70, I'd say. And let's see what it says when I turn this bad boy on. Well, that's noisy. I think it got right up into the 90s, and that's not good to live with. So let's do something about it. So what I did is built this just a corner unit. So up there, eventually, you see a sneak preview. That's going to be the dust collection. That is going to be the dust collector. I know it's very small, but it's all I could get that fitted in that gap. And it's more of an idea and a concept I'm trying to get rather than anything else. And below it, I built this little cupboard. Let's have a look inside it. Okay, so what we've got, I think I did 3 layers, yeah, 1, 2, 3 layers of this felt I found at a car boot sale. I think the Americans call them yard sales. Similar sort of idea really. And what I've done is lined the whole thing, the floor, everything, in 3 layers of the felt. And the one I've got left to do is up there. I haven't done that yet, so let's do that. We're going to get our felt. I know this is going to be difficult to see. I've overlapped it everywhere, so I'll allow for that in the measurement. That's it. I'm in. Right, that's the top done. So let's pop the compressor back in, and we'll see what difference it's made. Right, back you go. This does need wiring in properly, but like I said in one of the earlier videos, I've still got all the wiring and everything to do yet. So just for now, I've just left a little cutout just there. Just get a cable out. So as you can see, we're back down to that sort of speaking level. Silence is in the 30s. So let's switch him on, and then we'll have another look. Sat in the cabinet, 76. this is me just talking normally. I'm not raising my voice. 67, so I've gone from 90, I think it was before, to 67, so I'd call that a win. Yeah, so I think that's made a massive difference. You know, it literally, it sounds like a noisy fridge once the door's shut. So for a few layers of felt or whatever, doesn't have to be felt. I did see a video on a guy that tried all sorts of different types of soundproofing, including the professional sort of low density, high density foam or whatever it is, and at the end his conclusion was household towels apparently layered up are better than anything else. So I think we can all get hold of household towels, whether it's from a charity shop or you can buy them dirt cheap nowadays in all these sort of cheap shops. So yeah, get some layering up done and it'll transform your workshop really well. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. It makes a massive difference. I know I said it before and I feel like I'm begging, but I am trying to get this off the floor. And good luck. See you next time. Bye bye.